Hello, this is Mrs. B. Welcome to Umaarteng Penmanship. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa drills. In today's video, we will be doing 5 ways to write letter A. So kung ready ka na, let's start. Mag-calligraphy na tayo. Okay. So for today's video, we will be using Pentel Fude Touch in black. Sige, mag-start na tayo for writing letter A. Okay. So, let's start muna doon sa madali. Going doon sa mahirap na. Okay. Or doon sa, let's say, from simple to complicated writing letter A. Alright, so for A, usually nakikita natin, it's either ganitong A, by the way, capital letters tayo ha, or we see ganito. Okay, so eto muna, simple muna. Okay, so write A. Siguro kung papagandahin natin to in calligraphy, we could do parang merong wing or whatever kung ano yung tawag nila dito. Siguro I will call this wing. Parang ganito lang. Ayan, line lang. Okay, and then let's do this. Down stroke, dahan-dahan, up. Okay. And then, alright. Yan. It's up to you kung pwede mo pang habaan yung, like I call, wing dito. Bahala ka. Ayun. You can also do that. Next A. Let's do naman ito. Simple lang to. Okay. So that's it. Ayun. If you are going to connect this to letters, habaan mo tong tail. Okay. Next one. Upstroke, downstroke naman tayo. Kasi dito tayo downstroke. Ito naman upstroke and downstroke. Okay. Ayan. Then, there. Okay, next one. Downstroke, upstroke, downstroke. Okay. Let's do this. Kaya natin to, guys. Kaya mag-practice tayo. Ayun. So, from simple line na dito, ginawa na natin parang pa-cross dito yung line na yon. Okay. So, pang fifth na natin, and this would be yung mahirap sa umpisa. Ayan, sabi ko nga practice lang, and ito din yung favorite ko na A. Actually, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit na A. Okay, so let's do this. Ayun. So, here, nagkaroon na tayo ng flourishing. Pagdating dito, when we say flourishing, kumbaga, pinapaganda natin yung sulat natin. Alright. So, that's 5 ways to write letter A. And then, I will hope that you can comment down below and let me know kung saang A ka nahihirapan, ano yung mas preferred mong A, ano yung gusto mong gawing A, o baka naman meron kang iba way to write letter A, let me know lang. You can send me an email. You can message me on Facebook. That would be Umaarteng Penmanship. You could also like this video and share mo na din para meron tayo pang iba pang kasamang magsulat ng letter A. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!